Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy analytics with Tableau, quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, ensure you have Tableau desktop installed on your system. Open Tableau desktop and connect to your data source. You can connect to various data sources, including Excel, SQL databases, and cloud services. Once connected, Tableau will prompt you to select the data you want to analyze. Choose the relevant tables and fields for your analysis. Now, navigate to the Worksheet tab to start creating your visualization. Begin by dragging and dropping dimensions into the rows or columns shelves. Next, drag measures to the central area to create visual elements like charts or graphs. Explore different visualization types using the Show Me panel on the right side. Adjust your visuals by utilizing filters and parameters for a more refined analysis. Once satisfied with your visualizations, it's time to create a dashboard. Click on the Dashboard tab at the bottom of the screen. Drag your worksheets onto the dashboard canvas. Arrange and resize the visualizations for better layout and clarity. You can add interactivity by incorporating actions within the dashboard. To do this, go to the Dashboard menu and select Actions. Choose the type of action you want, such as filter or highlight. Configure the action settings based on your preferences. Once your dashboard is ready, it's time to publish. Click on the Server menu and select Tableau Cloud or Tableau Server based on your needs. Log into your Tableau account, if prompted. Fill in the necessary information for your dashboard, including the name and project. Select the appropriate permissions for team access. Click Publish to deploy your dashboard online. After publishing, you can share the link with your team for access. Regularly monitor and update your data to keep your analytics relevant. That's a quick overview of deploying analytics with Tableau. Utilize these steps to enhance your data visualization experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.